important to our lives. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zarina Catalunya, and my topic for today is all about trees. Why we should plant trees? You probably already know that trees provide us with the oxygen we need to breathe, right? If not, then you do now. Trees also provide us with essential greenery and shade in our day-to-day lives, and the mental calm when we need a quiet escape from the city. Planting trees is one of the most important things we can do to contribute to the health of the planet. Forests are the lungs of our planet, drawing in carbon dioxide and breathing out oxygen. They provide a hospitable place for animals to live and other plants to grow. Trees improve air quality by producing oxygen. They also store carbon, offsetting harmful byproducts of fossil fuel burning. They moderate the effects of sun and wind, and they clean the air by trapping dust, pollen, and other pollutants. Trees help to clean the air we breathe. Through their leaves and bark, they absorb harmful pollutants and release clean oxygen for us to breathe. In urban environments, trees absorb pollutant gases like nitrogen oxides, ozone, and carbon monoxide and sweep up particles like dust and smoke. Trees maintain an ecological balance of environment. Trees form a natural habitat for animals, birds, insects, and wildlife. Trees reduce surface runoff and soil erosion by binding the soil around its roots. Trees offer many environmental benefits. Trees reduce the amount of stormwater runoff, which reduces erosion and pollution in our waterways and may reduce the effects of flooding. Many species of wildlife depend on trees for habitat. Trees provide food, protection, and homes for many birds and mammals. Planting more trees helps to maintain healthy soils and humidity levels in the air around the world. Trees absorb air and transpire it back into the atmosphere, effectively filtering and controlling the levels of humidity wherever they are. And then, there's the quality of the soil too. Did you know that trees naturally remove carbon and noxious substances from soil? Other plants and crops certainly do, since it's hugely beneficial for them. Additionally, tree roots gather deep minerals and vitamins in the soil and pull them to the surface, where combined with their decomposing foliage, they improve the soil even further. If you plant a tree today, you help to protect endangered animal species around the world, do your bit in the battle against climate change, provide work in developing countries, and even protect the quality of the soil and air around the world. We need to do everything we can to plant more trees starting from today. There are just too many good reasons not to. Here are some good reasons. Number 1. Trees hold soil in place. Tree roots grow deep into the soil, holding it firmly in place and help to prevent soil erosion, especially when growing on hillsides and other steep terrain. Number 2. Trees sequester carbon dioxide. As most of us learned in school, trees and other green plants take in carbon dioxide that humans and other organisms produce. Without trees, the level of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere would be even higher than they are now. Number 3. Trees produce oxygen. Through photosynthesis, trees produce oxygen that humans and many organisms depend to live. Number 4. Some animals are dependent upon trees. Trees provide important habitat for wildlife and are fundamental to many ecosystems on Earth. Some animals live their entire lives in trees. Number 5. Trees feed us. By planting fruit or nuts trees in your yard, you can produce abundant food for yourself and for your family, and perhaps even enough to share with friends, neighbors, other family members, and other in your community. Number 6. Trees help to buffer storms. Along coastlines, mangrove forest trees are adapted to harsh coastal storms and help to protect areas inland from storm surges and harsh winds. When these forests are removed from coastlines, this important protection disappears. Trees in other habitats also help to reduce windy conditions during storms. Number 7. Trees produce products for our use. Trees produce many important products that we use in our daily lives, including wood, medicine, and food. Number 8. Trees clean the air. Trees intercept air pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, and particulate matter. Number 9. Trees create a sense of place. Trees can give a place unique character and beauty that can only be found in that place. Number 10. Trees are beautiful. Planting trees is a great way to add a touch to beautiful nature to our property and improve the aesthetics of a place. Those are the good reasons why we should plant trees. So now I'm going to tell you how to plant a tree. First, choose the right tree to plant. Second, dig a tree planting hole to the correct size. Third, loosen soil in and around planting hole. Fourth, remove circling roots. Fifth, make sure root flare is not buried. 6. Backfill hole with loose native soil. 7. Water well. 8. Spread mulch. 9. Prune the tree. And 10. Stake if needed. So what are you waiting for? Let's plant a tree together to make our environment better.